Hello and welcome as we explore the KEF KC62 Subwoofer and its high-performance wireless adapter kit. This compact powerhouse features dual drivers and delivers a massive 1,000 watts of total power. You get deep bass down to 11 Hz with 5 smart settings for any room placement. The wireless kit provides high-quality audio transmission without the need for messy floor cables. It uses a high bandwidth band to ensure every detail of your movies stays perfectly clear. With a 30-meter range, you can place your subwoofer anywhere for the best sonic impact. Enjoy a seamless setup and incredible bass performance with this premium audio solution for your modern home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.